How you doing, guys? I'm here to talk about Windows 8 again on the desktop, and I kind of debated whether to make this video or not because I haven't used Windows 8 that much or even seen their Surface tablet yet. I kind of also wanted to see the consumer reaction once it gets released, and also see if Microsoft might make some changes after they also release it. And like I said before, I believe they should have kept their Metro UI separate from their desktop operating system. Primarily because a touch interface on a desktop with a mouse and keyboards is not that great. Yeah, you do have touch interface on some monitor screens, but still a different experience. Same thing with their WinRT Surface tablets. They do kind of have a desktop mode. And of course, the Metro UI is great for touch on that tablet, but going to their desktop mode, it really sucks as well. So I believe you need to really keep those two separate. And also, we're also seeing the way Microsoft itself reacted to what the consumer is seeing once it was released. And even in fact, Steve Ballmer fired, I think, Steven Sonivsky. Hopefully I said his name right, Sonivsky. And he was kind of the man that convinced Steve Ballmer to include this Metro UI on the Windows 8 desktop, trying to get consumers interested, I think, in their other devices such as Windows 8 phone, Surface tablet, and things like that. And also convinced Ballmer to remove the Start button from the menu, saying that most people make shortcuts on the taskbar desktop anyway. Now, so as you can see, his reaction to that as well. Now, something that I think might have worked better, instead of putting the Metro UI on the Windows 8 desktop, is take it off of there and add the Metro style touch interface as an add-on software. So if people want to try it out, or before they buy a tablet or Windows 8 phone or whatever, then they can just download and install it themselves. And, it gives consumer more of a choice. But with that Metro UI, especially for new users or not very tech savvy, it really confuses them how to even shut down the computer, access their programs, and so forth. So those are kind of my initial reactions to some of the Windows 8 being released. Now, initially, I also said that businesses wouldn't be very interested into the Windows 8 Metro style as well. Now, it even probably took them a while to even get into perhaps even Windows 7. But to tell you the truth, we probably need to wait longer because they still have an enterprise version to be released. So maybe they're going to remove the Metro UI style from that. We'll see. So I'll kind of wait a little bit on that.